Hi my friends, welcome back. Today I'd just like to share the importance of having medical card and what you need to know. And the topic today I'd like to share is why co-insurance. Alright, so please remember when you're buying medical insurance, there is this thing called co-insurance and you must be aware of this. There are many kind of co-insurance. Some of the thing is, for example today you are admitted in a hospital and your purchase of the medical card is room and board of 200 ringgit, and assuming the 200 ringgit is a twin sharing, but you decided to go for a single room, and if it's let's say 250 or let's take example 300 ringgit, right? So what happened now is you may think that just between 200 to 300 you only pay 100 ringgit. Yes, some policies says that you pay the difference of the room and board, but some policies will say since you bought 200 and you go above the 2 and board at the 300, there will be a co-insurance sharing. That means insurance company and you will be sharing the bill. So let's say if it's a co-sharing 10%, it simply means if your bill comes to 50,000, you have to pay 5,000 ringgit if it's 10%, and if it's 20%, you have to pay 10,000 ringgit from the 50,000 bill, because the insurance company will minus the 20%, they will only pay 80%. Alright, so that is what it means by co-insurance. But there are some other where sometimes when the moment you're admitted in the hospital, you have to pay 300, 500 or 1,000 as a deposit, right? Which you have to bear the cost. That means if your bill is 10,000 ringgit, maybe down there is written that the first payment you have to make 1,000 ringgit. So the insurance company will only pay 9,000 ringgit. Okay, so there are some 3,000, some there are some 500 ringgit, some 1,000 ringgit, some are 300 ringgit, which you must pay, right? So please remember this, that you have to pay first if there is a co-insurance. Alright, otherwise if let's say there's no co-insurance, it simply means you must go to the room and board which is below what you have purchased. Alright, so remember, if you buy 250 or 200 ringgit, just go below the room and board, there shouldn't be any issue. Alright, so the co-insurance applies when you go higher than what you have purchased. Like what I repeat again, first thing, when you go buy 200, if you go 250, some insurance say you pay only the difference of 50 ringgit, but some insurance company will tell you to pay 10% or 20% of the total bill. So it may be catching you surprised that why suddenly you have to pay, because it's already in the clause and you may not be aware and all these things. So please check your policy. If there's any co-insurance applies, at least you're prepared for it. Alright, thank you for listening. See you in my next video. Thank you.